So right now he's putting on the brake caliper, which is the smaller brake caliper for the project. We just put on all of the other parts and smaller rotors. Now he's putting on the brake caliper. Then we'll hook the brake lines up, we'll bleed the brake lines, and we'll be finished with the rear end. I just need to have my 15-inch rims show up, which should be next week.
Okay. That looks good.
Once my new rims came in, my front rims came in.
All right, so this
You
bracket.
didn't put any Loctite on the studs, did you?
What's that?
You didn't need to put any Loctite on the studs, did you?
What studs you talking about here?
Oh,
no,
on the bracket.
No. So this is gonna come off here, and then we gotta break loose that, and then that bracket. See that bracket that's right there?
Yeah.
That's the new bracket that's gonna bolt right there. So it's gonna go up, and I had to drill mine out a little. I had to oval mine a little hole because it was they didn't make it. They put it in a